The IJO Laser Tag gun set gives you two responsive blasters and matching vests, so small groups can jump straight into structured team battles without extra gear. Each blaster offers multiple firing styles and team colors, letting players experiment with different play styles and game formats to keep matches feeling fresh. Setup is straightforward, with clearly marked battery compartments and intuitive controls that even younger kids can figure out quickly with minimal adult help. The system uses infrared light instead of real lasers, so there is no eye hazard, and it encourages kids to run around, cooperate, and think strategically instead of sitting in front of screens. Impact vibrations, sound effects, and a digital display on the vests make hits easy to track and help turn a living room or backyard into a surprisingly immersive arena. With its broad age appeal and flexible indoor or outdoor use, this set works especially well as a family activity or party centerpiece that keeps children and adults engaged together.